Hello everyone, welcome to Drawleaper channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to see like post on Facebook. Now the first thing you have to do is open Facebook. Now from here if I like a post, now if you want to see this post again, go to newsfeed. From here tap on profile, then tap on three dots, then go to activity log. Here you can see your activity across Facebook option, then tap here, then tap on comments and reactions. Here you can see comments and like and reaction option, then tap on likes and reaction. Now from here you can find your all like post. If you want to see this post again, tap on three dots, then tap on view. Now you can see your like post. And that is how you can see like post on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.